Pickletillem or Pickletillem is a hamlet situated in Fife, Scotland. It is 9 miles, 14 kilometers, from the town of St Andrews and 5.9 miles, 9.5 kilometers, from the city of Dundee. The village is located on the A914 south of the junction with the A92. Overview and history. Pickletillem is a small hamlet which had an inn and has a few houses. The Pickletillem Inn, a coaching inn dating from 1732, was demolished in 2018 after standing unoccupied and dilapidated for years. Governance. Fife Council is the unitary local authority for Pickletillem. The village is in the northeast Fife constituency of the Parliament of the United Kingdom, represented by Stephen Jeffins of the Scottish National Party. For the purposes of the Scottish Parliament, Pickletillem forms part of the northeast Fife. The seat was won at the 2016 Scottish Parliament election by Willie Rennie for the Scottish Liberal Democrats. References. External links. Pickletillem at Fife Place name data.